Hello friends, so we are in Italy, Rome, and we are staying at Hotel Torino. So this is the entrance way that we have come from. Okay. And now I'll show you our room. Let's get in. So let's start with this. This is a mini room. So there are double beds with full-fledged cupboard, and it's also city facing. Come. No, this is like shaft facing, but it's okay. There are big windows, so typical Roman feeling. Okay. And then there is this washroom, bathtub, wash basin. And then welcome to the master bedroom. So I'll switch on the light. Okay, so it's a small mini dining table, big cupboard, big king size bed, and beautiful, architecture. So pretty. And here is our city facing room. So from